Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or if you're old here, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my morning skincare routine. This routine is what I did to help me clear my acne and also clear up any blemishes that I had on my face. You know, once in a while, a 1-2 pimple would pop up on my skin, but that's okay. It's life, we're humans. So the first step I'm going to do is wash my hands. I think a lot of people skip this step, and I think this step is very, very important. We don't want to touch our face with our dirty hands, so it's very important to thoroughly wash your hands before touching your face. Next step I'm going to do is wet my face. This is important as well. For me, wetting your face before you apply any type of soap, because soap is already very drying. So you want to make sure you wet your face first. So the soap I'll be using is the Black African soap with vitamin E and A in it. I love this soap. Even though it's very drying, I love it because I feel like it makes my face squeaky clean. Like, you can feel the cleanness on your skin, on your face. And you know, it's always good to follow up with your favorite serum or moisturizer after washing with soap. So I'm just gonna make sure I get around my eyes and all over my face and my neck and all that good stuff.